Welcome back to my channel, dear students. On this occasion, we will install Godot and we will be knowing Godot editor. Let's begin. To download Godot 3.0, we must go to the official website. Let's go to the download section and we download the 64-bit version. It is important to know that there is an alternative version called Mono version that supports C#. At some time, we will work with this application, but for the moment, we will work with the principle. The downloaded file is compressed in extension .rar. You can unzip it with a program called WinRAR. Once decompressed, the application is created, which was around 45 megabytes. We will start the engine. The first thing we see is the image screen, is a list of projects. All the projects that are created in Godot appear in this window. In this section, we can enter the name of a particular project to look for it in a faster way, in case we have a very large list of projects. The Run button runs the game. The Skin button uses to find a list of projects stored in a specific folder. The New Project button creates a new project. The Import button imports a project. In this section, Godot offers the possibility to change the Godot editor language. The next step, called templates. We can find a list of projects shared by the Godot community, can be downloaded directly and analyze them inside the engine. Now is the time to create a new project. We are going to go to the project list tab. Click on New Project. In the part where it says Project Path will be the location of the folder that will store all Godot projects. Click on Browse. Select your desired path. In my case, I will create a folder inside of my folder called Documents. Click on Create Folder. Click on Select Current Folder. Now, we are going to put a name to this new project. Create folder. Create and edit. What we see in the central area is a view at the moment of developing the scene, both in a 2D and 3D game, with these buttons above. We can change the different environments. a very important panel within the Godot editor is the file system panel. It's located in the upper left. The file system panel will contain all the files that are contained in the project folder. Here in the bottom, we can create a new folder. We can store this icon inside the folder. And here in the project folder, if we open image, the image folder is displayed, which contains the icon. Now I am located where the project has been stored. As you can see, the image folder was created, and within this there is an icon. You can create folders here, for example, sounds, and instantly the Godot editor will be affected. The sound folder now appears. Now I will take a little about the functionalities found in the panel below. Output is the Godot editor console will provide us with information about the state of the game, both positive and negative notifications. Debugger. It serves to detect errors that can be caused within a script. Ariel is the tab that helps us to level the overall sound of the game and thus get a better sound quality. Animation. This tab will help us create our own animations. Now I will explain part of the operation of the scene panel. What we see in the central area, it's a scene itself, but a scene will contain nodes. And the way to create those nodes is by clicking on the plus button. And here we see a variety of nodes depending on the needs of the project. Let's create a control node as an example. A node in itself is a class in terms of programming. If we bring the pointer to the label control, it shows that control is a class. Each class will contain sections, as here we can see a list of sections, and each section contains properties. These are the properties which can be manipulated, modified. In our work area, there are some buttons that will be a great help. The select button. The hotkey is the key Q. The move button. The hotkey is the key W. The rotate button. The hotkey is the key E. Also, another button that is used quite is the pen mode. Another button that is used quite is the play button that runs the project. In the upper left, we find the scene tab. Here we can create a new scene or save the current scene, and the other features of this tab we will be seeing them throughout this course. In the project tab, we can adjust the project. You can modify many properties. The debug tab are the key tools of what we have seen below the debugger tab, used to detect code errors. Here we can configure the Godot editor, and this is the help section. Now it's time to enter the code editor. We go to the script tab, click on File, New. Since we installed the Godot main installation, it offers only 3 language alternatives: JavaScript, native script, fetch script. Let's select JavaScript. Click on Load. And here the standard base code is loaded. The File tab allows to save, open a particular code, among other features that we will be seeing along this course. Now, let's go to the tab called Classes. In this view, we can find all the classes that have been built in the Godot editor, and we can analyze these classes in a more profound way. We can, for example, analyze the control class. This control class inherits from the class Canvas Iron. Canvas Iron inherit from node class, and the node class inherits from the object class. Apart, this control class is a parent class of all these classes. We can analyze in this section members all the variables of this class. And public methods, we find all the methods of this class. Another section called signals attributes the other functionalities of the class. Enumerations also. The last mentioned are more advanced topics that will be explained in greater depth throughout this course, and in this place you can analyze other details of the class itself, analyzing all these code sources. Well, that's all for now. In the next lesson, we will go deeper into how we work with the Godot editor, about the existing relationship of the scenes and their nodes. I see you in the next time.